Tajir Abu Dhabi license. What is it? It helps entrepreneurs to engage in more than 1,000 business activities without a business location. How do I get a Tajir license? Tajir Abu Dhabi license can be applied via the added website or Abu Dhabi Business Center's app. The documentation vary according to the business type. What business license do I need to sell online in UAE? If you are an individual who sells products and services online, then you'll need an e-trader license. All the requirements are in the added site. But to make it short for you, the main thing you need is a photo for the product you want to sell, a logo and official name for your business, and you are ready to apply.